Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Swift VXI. First, ensure your car's ignition is on. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. Then, navigate to the infotainment system's main menu. From there, select the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Finally, choose the Bluetooth menu to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. To pair your device, select Add New Device on your car's screen. Simultaneously, on your phone, search for available Bluetooth devices. You should see Suzuki Car or a similar name appear. Tap on it. Both screens will then display a pairing code. Confirm this code matches on both your phone and the car's display to complete the secure connection. This step ensures only authorized devices connect. Once successfully paired, your phone's contacts will automatically synchronize with the car's system. You can now use the steering wheel controls to conveniently answer incoming calls or initiate new ones. For audio playback, simply select the audio option on your infotainment system. Then, choose Bluetooth audio as your source to enjoy music, podcasts, or navigation instructions directly through your car's speakers. It's a seamless experience. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your mobile device and the car's infotainment system often resolves the problem. Also, ensure no other devices are actively paired, as this can sometimes prevent a new connection. If problems persist, try deleting old pairings from both your car and phone. For specific model details or advanced features, always refer to your Swift VXI's owner's manual for comprehensive guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.